Expressing is something that is been very easy for many people, but there are people also who cannot express themselves, they cannot talk properly, or they cannot, communicate properly. So Kanth Pari, what I'm talking today, throat chakra. What do we know about it? Kanth Pari is something that is very, very powerful, because whenever we are communicating with someone and we need to talk, we need to present ourselves, we need to communicate ourselves, we need to connect with someone, we need to express our feeling with someone. This is very, very important, like what we are speaking. In many cases, we do not feel like to connected with the speaking part. Many people are there who are very introvert and do not just feel like to speak up. They do not just feel like to just cope up with the situation while the speaking is the main front. You know what I mean? So in that case, in the speaking part, on this expressing something, in that case, people are facing many kind of problem regarding throat. People have developed their emotion, they just suppress their emotion, they don't share with anybody, they keep continuing with this, and they develop various kind of mental and physical problems. I'm not just going to talk about all those diseases and all, because I'm going to talk here about the healing of it. And whatever I have made in this series, this is very, very important, and this is very, very useful for everyone who have the problem not speaking up, not clearing the emotional way, the emotions, the feelings what we have. If we don't share with anyone, if we don't express it, it start to grow in our energy body, if you know what I mean. In that case, that energy come in contact with negative energies, and it start to build their home inside it, and we feel many sort of illogical, many sort of uncertain diseases. Many diseases are there also that doesn't have any name. So in that, I have discussed what is the importance of Kanth Pari strengthening method. Kanth Pari is actually situated in your vocal cord. If you just touch your vocal cord, you can feel the vibration right now. So you can feel that the vibration is there. So whatever you're speaking, that is very important. And if you do not release the energy, it starts to grow at the back of your energy body. All right, you need to just focus on the Kanth Pari, accumulate your energies. When I'll start the healing with the sound of Om, you need to just continuously focus, and you need to just focus on the vibration of the Om sound. In every Om sound, you have to absorb the strength to your Kanth energy, to your Kanth Pari, the energy cycle of communication, power of your throat, or this is a power of your Kanth Pari, that you're dealing with the people by your talk. Many people, they just do the business over that phone, and lots of money they earn because of their throat pari, their Kanth Pari. So in that case, in every Om, if you are feeling and adding the energy, the vibration into your Kanth Pari, this will help you in your building up, in your communication skill, in your relationship, in your business, in your profession, in your personal development, in every way. After this practice, you know what will happen. After that, you will feel like, yes, I have something all. So in that case, this will help you in healing. All right, so let's just start the process. Om.
Om